Math Unmasked. This is another bonus lesson for our sixth graders this year. This is some fifth grade content they would have done last year that we are reviewing or maybe covering if you didn't get that during the pandemic last year. So this is really some fifth grade fraction division where we spent a lot of our time today was modeling. Like, what does this physically look like? So like, if I think about having 3 pizzas and I am going to divide those into 1/4 slices, right? I really have 3 pizzas. I want to know how many 4th size slices there are. So I can physically show this, and we encourage kids to draw those visuals if they need to. And I can actually just count it up right now, right? I have 4, 8, 12 slices. So my answer here is 12. Another way we did this was using this, like thinking about pans of brownies. Clearly I'm hungry, we've got pizza, we've got brownies. So I've got a 4th, and I'm gonna divide this up, I'm gonna share it between 2 people, right? So if I cut this between 2 people, we each get this piece, right? This is 1 piece, this is a 2nd piece. And each of those pieces is 1 box out of now 8 equally sized boxes. Right? At the bottom of our homework for today, we're given 2 steps. Okay? They tell us to rename the numbers using a common denominator, which is really what I was doing here. When I cut these up, I turned this from 3 into 12/4, and then I was dividing by 1/4. Over here, what I did was I said, okay, I am really going to change this then into some smaller pieces. Then we're going to divide the numerators, divide the denominator. So I've got this example here, very close to our first problem. If I was going to turn this into thirds like this would become 12/3. And if I needed to draw a picture to help me do that, I can absolutely do that. And then it's easy to divide it into groups of 2/3, right? 12 divided by 2 is 6, okay? 3 divided by 3 is 1, or 6 wholes. If I was going to show this visually, right, that was my 4 wholes. And then I'm dividing them all into groups of thirds. And then I'm counting the groups of thirds, right? 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups, 6 groups. All right. So we're going to be spending a couple of days working between these 2 with the goal of just moving to this numerically, but feel free to draw pictures for whatever you need to tonight.